Good morning, everyone. Sam is here again. I'm just making this video. I don't know how I'm gonna make it because I'm very, very badly sleepy, but I just want to make it and put it to upload while I'm sleeping. So I want to show you a few things. This is the pound USD H4 chart. As you can see, this is for a long time. I'm watching it in a couple of months. Because in June and July, you all know that we range a lot, and this pound USD is ranging pretty nicely. So these are a couple of spots that I located. This is like a band support resistance level. What I call is like a demand zone here, and then the top was a supply zone right here. Right here, okay, so these two were the supply zone, demand zone, and then price came down here, and then dipped below it, but it came back up above this the band, making it like probably from this demand zone here, resistance. It went up again all the way to this supply zone, then came back here, and then notice that these yellow line, these divergence, how nicely over here was a divergence, it turns up hundreds of pips, and you can see this divergence right here, it gone up, and at the top at this resistance supply zone area came down, right? So next chart I want to show you that did I found that ahead of time or no? Yes, this was my chart, and I did all the calculation, all the drawing and everything on July 17, saying that from this teal I was expecting it to drop down to this level, okay, and then go up. But instead of from the TL, it went up a little bit to this high, and then dropped to this level. Let's see the other next chart. See right here, okay. So it went up a little bit instead of here, dropping from this. It went up there, the supply zone, and then dropped big time. And then last Friday, you know that it went up again to this high. Let me show you what I have next. See, this is how it went back up again. But and what I did when it was coming down on the last Friday, not this Friday, before the Friday before this Friday, that was 7:20, and you see when that was the drop from here, what I was expecting, I mentioned in my 4-hour chart. Before that, I took all the way down. Okay, and then the other one on 23rd. Again, the 23rd was, let me see, it's right around here somewhere, okay. So there was first entry here, and then a couple of days later I had another couple of entries, nice trades, right. And this one is just a eur-usd. I don't have a 4-hour chart to show you, but it was behaving Elliott wave wise. I had my count and it was going perfectly. I mentioned it and I showed those charts, Elliott wave charts, in my previous video. You can see in that. USD franc, this was my Elliott wave count, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, and would make the 3. And look, notice how I have this yellow spot here for the wave 4, and I says need this 38% retracement for the wave 4, which will come around 97.15 or whatever. And what happened next is boom, see, it went up a little bit and then dropped right into my that yellow spot last Friday, and start pulling back again. So I don't know if we're gonna go there or not, but I will evaluate when the Monday, Saturday and Sunday. Not Saturday, I mean Sunday and Monday. See, I told you I'm sleepy. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, Sunday or Monday we'll see if this TL breaks or holds. All right. So we will play accordingly. But this is what it is. I am expecting it back, going back up this one, and then eur-usd going down, and the trade I said when it was on the wave 3rd, you see right here, wave 3, I says, well, I will wait for this 4th wave to finish right around here and go long when the 5th wave starts. I said I will wait, but I couldn't. I sold here. Okay, this is how impatient I am. I know when I know that what's happening, and even there's like 40 50 60 pips, I want to take that. So after the 4th wave finished, right here it started going up. Did I go with it? Yes, I did. This one. All right, so nice trade. if you know, you do your harmonic. I mean, last week I didn't do any harmonic trading. I mean, it's just like channels and trend lines and Elliott wave, because they are all interchangeable. Elliott wave is harmonic patterns are just like distortion of Elliott wave, and trend lines and channels and support and resistance, they are interchangeable. I mean, support and resistance, horizontal levels, and if you draw mathematically, geometrically, you draw trend lines, or like slanted, um, they matches as if your support and resistance are matching. So they are basically the same, different angle, different way of looking at it, but they are all the same mathematically. Okay, here's another beautiful chart, Aussie yen. I've been making a lot out of this one, squeezing it, ranging. A lot of people say that ranging is bad and then you get killed and this and that. To be honest with you, I love ranging, and ranging is the one is like very predictable and very, very accurate. You saw before, and then look at this one. Okay, you saw the pound already. This is Aussie yen. Look at this from here. I forgot the date because I think I showed these trades already before. But look at this 720. That Friday, it was right there at the supply zone, and all I had to do is just look at it if it's making a turn and get in, and that's it. And then it comes right here. See, this is a beautiful demand zone support. It came down here and boom, it's gone. So what, did I do anything with it? Yes. Aussie yen 720. This is my entry right there. Forex magic wave rules. Okay, gave me the entry, and then when we were going up, I went with it. All right, nice trades. There is no hanky panky. It's very simple. And like I said, 720. Last Friday it is here. If it starts turning going down, now you know what to do. It's so simple and easy. It's no big deal. All right. Anything else I had? I have this pound yen, and this was the trade setup on a 4-hour chart right here. 720. 720 was even the Friday before this. Last Friday was awesome. And look at this one. Okay, there was a nice engulfing rejection from this level, beautiful level here, and that's all I had to do is find my magic wave entry and get in right here. Okay, it took me all the way down, hundreds of pips. And this one is the most that I loved and enjoyed trading on this one. Actually, I started this making a channel to teach somebody, and then it's like 0.1. It's P1, P2. It's like channeling. It's not Elliott wave or anything else. Okay, it is channeling like 0.1, 0.2. You draw the trend line, and then you take a parallel and then put this line, parallel line, on the bottom of this length here, and then the price will come here and start making channels. So 0.3, 0.4, price was touched here and then start going up. I was going with it all the way down here. In my last video, I showed this high over there. We were there, and I was waiting to see if we make a turn. We did. I got down with it all the way down, and look at this nice, beautiful bullish candle. Right, it's a lot of wick in the bottom. It's a support, horizontal support right there, as well as the channel line, and the 200 EMA is right there. So how many things you need to confirm? And so beautiful bullish, 4-hour bullish candle. So this is right in front of you. Did I do anything with that? Yes. On 720, 5-minute Aussie USD right here. This is the entry. I know. I believe that you all know what my entries look like and how they are. Okay. So yeah, and then when we were going up, look at these entries. Okay, some of those I took, but some of those I missed because I just started a trading room, and I'm busy posting there and trying to learn myself because somebody else made it for me, and I'm just posting it, and it's difficult, and it's taking my concentration away from trading and a lot of time as well. So I just need to get adjust with it, but it's very good. There's a lot of people coming in, and then we're doing it. Even though it was a very tough week last week, we still came out positive, made some pips. I mean, with the last Friday, I mean, I was like eur-usd. I ended up making 82 pips within hours, but actually within 1 hour or maybe a few minutes, 30 minutes. There was a big drop, short squeeze. And my level was there, 24.1, and I had pending orders there. It has nothing to do with the first magic wave, because when move like that very fast, you don't get any chance to get in unless you have a pending order there. So my pending order was picked up at around, like, I think it was 23.90, and then it just dropped from there. Anyway, so do I have anything else? Oh, okay, yeah, this is a USDX weekly chart that I've been, it's like from last year actually. I made this and I'm following it, and I love it. I mean, this one is like my roadmap. Gives me confidence when I'm taking the trade. So look at this. I'm watching it when we were here in the bottom. Okay, so but here now, see, this one is I wrote it down here, bouncing off TL. I was expecting it. It came and it touched and it started bouncing, and my target was this blue line going all the way up. People were thinking that I'm crazy, thinking about, from 79 it's gonna go to 84, 86. It was like, but I said, well, this is what it is, and the next thing you know is bang, we are there. Okay, and look at this. I said, well, we're gonna hit that, and we're gonna drop back down a little bit to this level again, and then go back again. What can I tell you? It's in front of you. I mean, the only difference in this chart is that my bird flew away, so I put a bear there, and this move was I was expecting a nice bullish move from here, so I put a little bull here. All right, that's all the difference. And by the way, this is it's advice that when you are in trading or inside the trade already, don't play around like this guy here, okay? Because if you do, this is what's gonna happen to you, okay? So watch out, and when you're trading, and you are in the trade, pay attention and manage it off a 1 minute chart, nice and clean, and don't take your eyes off the trade, okay? So this is very important. So that's this is it, I guess. Yeah, so this is very beautiful here. I have a couple of orders here, pending orders. I hope it's gonna go down. If not, then it's okay. I made plenty